DJ Rolly Remix. DJ Rolly Remix. DJ Rolly Remix.
Sulit untuk ginawa ko sa kay kapag
DJ Rolly Remix. DJ Rolly Remix. For lovers, DJ Rolly Remix. DJ Rolly Remix. DJ Rolly Remix.
I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my side. I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you, but I don't wanna be the one to cry. I keep seeing you walk through that door. There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Maybe sometimes love doesn't make me I could never change you. I don't wanna blame you. Maybe you don't have to take the fall. Yes, I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Baby, I just wanna have it makes it sound like thunder. It makes me feel like rain. Like a fool who will never see the truth. I keep thinking something's gonna change. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Maybe sometimes I'm just ignorant, and there's no way home when it's late at night and all alone. All the things that you wanted to say, do you feel me beside you in your bed? Yeah, beside me where I used to live. Enough.